everyone, Amanda here from Create with Scrimping Mummy. So I am starting a new challenge. I'm hoping to encourage other people on YouTube or crafters who watch YouTube to join in, this is going to run for 6 weeks initially, depending on how popular it is. It might run longer, and for every week I'm going to create just a basic digital to go with it. And so the challenge is tags. So I'm going to use the hashtag tags and also the hashtag Create with Scrimping Mummy, and I have added these digitals to my Facebook group already. The link's in the description box below, and because I want everybody to be able to join in, I'm also going to add it to my Ko-fi site, so you'll be able to download these for free, and there'll be one every week for 6 weeks. This is also a bit of a celebration. August is my birthday month, and so I thought it'd be nice to give something away free throughout August. So for the first 6 Mondays we're going to have free tags. Now, this week's theme, every week is going to be a different theme, and this week's theme is dressmaking or sewing. I've done mine in a vintage style. You can use my digitals, or you can come up with your own and still use the hashtag tags and the hashtag Create with Scrimping Mummy and come up with your own vintage or modern or whatever sewing theme tag. So what I've done is the digitals print out in a full A4 size. So this is one, okay. I've printed it out on cardstock, and I'll explain why they're so large in a moment. So that's the first one, okay, beautiful. This is the second one. So they're all matching, okay. And then this third one is a plain one. Now I've made them large like this because I thought it'd be fun to do some large tags. Now these you could, well, my thought was that I would put ring binder holes through and make myself a little tag booklet over the 6 weeks and collect them all together, okay? And you can add to them, you can just distress them, add some lace to them, put pockets on the back, and because the back's plain you can then decorate the back, turn it into a flip, whatever. There's loads of things that you can do with them because they are the larger size. Now if you don't want to work with a larger size and you'd prefer a smaller size, all you need to do when you go to printing is select 2 to a page and uncheck the fit to window box. So you right click on the image, click print, okay. Don't open it and then go to print, just click the thumbnail from when you've saved it and click print, and then the box comes up where you can do 2 to a page or 4 to a page, okay. So then they will go down to a more typical tag size, okay. So if you'd rather do them smaller, or what you can do is you can do the larger one, turn it into a pocket, then print out these ones smaller and put them inside or put them on the back. You've got plenty of options. So there you go. So that will be a free bet every single week for the next 6 weeks on a Monday throughout August. Well, throughout. It's going to run into September, isn't it? Because there's not 6 weeks in August. Alright, so that is my birthday gift to you guys. Also to try and encourage people to be able to craft on a low budget. If you've got a decent printer, you can print them out low cost. And we can have some fun. If you're not a member of the group, come on over and join. If you don't like Facebook, I'm putting them on Ko-fi for you. So everybody, it's a win-win for everybody. Everybody can have a go. Alright, so I'll be back either later today or maybe on Wednesday with what I've done with mine. Like I say, I fancy turning mine into like a little booklet each week and adding, you know, the ring binder rings. I'm making a little bound booklet out of them maybe for fun. Yeah, so, or obviously, you know, you can cut them down, make journaling tags out of them. There's loads of things. You can fussy cut them, you can do what you want. You could cut a window in them, you can, like I say, add flips and pockets. You could add an envelope on there and have that as the base for a large envelope flip. Loads of things you can do. You just got to have add a sprinkle of your own imagination. So I hope you'll come and join us. So don't forget to use the hashtag tags and the hashtag create with Scrimping Mummy. If you use these and you share them, I'm giving them to you absolutely free. I'm just asking that if you do use them and you share your work on social media, to just add those hashtags. That way I can search the hashtag and I can see what you've made, because I like to see what people do with them. It's lovely. Okay, or just put tag me Amanda Charlesworth on Facebook, or Scrimping Mummy on Instagram, so that I can see what you've made. So there you go. I hope that you will enjoy using those, and I will enjoy seeing what everybody does with them. Alright then, take care and bye for now.